Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Reviews. If you're passionate about sewing or looking for the perfect machine to take your skills to the next level, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best sewing machines you must have in 2025. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these picks will make your projects easier and more precise. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button to stay updated with the latest must-have gadgets. Also, you can find all the product links in the description box below, so let's get started. Starting off at number 5, we have the FEIYUE 360, a fantastic sewing machine packed with features. With 23 built-in stitches, including buttonhole, decorative, and stretch stitches, this machine allows beginners and seasoned sewists to create a variety of projects with ease. Its powerful servo motor is 10% more efficient than traditional motors, saving up to 35% more energy. The automatic needle threader makes setup a breeze, and its sturdy metal frame ensures precise stitching on both delicate silk and heavy-duty jeans. The package also includes useful accessories like bobbins, needles, sewing feet, an instructional DVD, and a USB flash drive. At number 4, we have the Janome sewing machine, a versatile and stylish model. It features 30 built-in stitches, including a memory buttonhole function for precise professional results. With computerized buttons for easy reverse stitching, locking stitches, and needle up-down control, this machine is designed for convenience. Coming in at number 3 is the JUKI TL2000 a high-speed powerhouse built for serious sewing and quilting projects. This machine boasts an impressive 1,500 stitches per minute and features an automatic needle threader for efficiency. The aluminum die-cast arm and bed reduce vibrations, ensuring smooth and precise stitching. The included extension table provides ample workspace, making it ideal for larger quilting and home decor projects. If you need a machine that can handle heavy-duty sewing with professional results, the JUKI TL2000 is an excellent investment. At number 2, we have the Singer MX231, a lightweight and portable sewing machine designed for versatility. With 23 built-in stitches and 97 stitch applications, this machine is perfect for crafting, mending, and decorative sewing. It handles fabrics ranging from sheers to denim with ease. The front-load bobbin system keeps your workflow smooth, and the built-in needle threader reduces eye strain. Stitch customization is a breeze with adjustable width and length settings, allowing you to tailor each stitch to your project's needs. With a handy accessory kit included, this machine offers incredible value for sewists of all skill levels. And finally, at number 1, we have the Singer Heavy Duty 4452, a machine built for speed and durability. With an upgraded motor that delivers extra piercing power, this machine easily sews through thick fabrics like denim and canvas. It offers 110 stitch applications, including stretch, decorative, and one-step buttonholes. The top drop-in bobbin with a transparent cover ensures smooth operation, while the full metal frame provides stability and long-lasting durability. Stitch selection is effortless with the stitch selector dial, making it easy to switch between sewing styles. If you're looking for a high-speed, heavy-duty sewing machine that can handle any project, the Singer 4452 is the ultimate choice.